Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to download code files from Emergent AI. Firstly, sign into your Emergent dashboard. Find your completed app in the list. Look for a button like Export Code or Connect to GitHub. Authorize Emergent to access your GitHub account and choose a repository to create a new one. Now the platform will push the project's source code to that repo. After that, you can clone or download the code from GitHub to your computer. Once you export it, you're free to host or edit it anywhere else. And to unlock export or GitHub sync features, you need some paid plans, and not all builds run outside Emergent because code exported might depend on generated configurations or services inside the platform. And that's it, guys. As simple as that, and that's how you can do it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this.